Come on, Jack. Let's go feed the cows. Come on, load up. You ready to go feed the cows? What y'all doing? Yeah? We better shut this gate. Last time somebody left the gate open, it was pretty bad because this lady right here went on about a mile jog. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give them some range cubes. I give them at least once, maybe twice a week, and then we're gonna check on their hay. We need to check the fence, make sure they hadn't knocked any more insulators off. That line right there looks good. That's usually where they knock them off, trying to get to that green grass on the other side. What is it there, Jackson? Huh? What is it? You mad because I won't let you out to roll in the cow turd? Huh? Yeah. Hey there, bull. What are you doing? Hmm? You let me touch you now, as long as you're eating. Hmm? Hey there, Betty. What are you doing? Clara. Clara's always good for a rub. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, yeah, you doing much better. What about you? No. So now we're gonna go give them their protein tub and their mineral block. I've been giving them these protein tubs for I don't know about 3 months now. The first one, they went through that thing like nobody's business. The second one, they kind of slowed down on a little bit, but they still went through it pretty fast. And the third one, they were really slow on that one. So I guess once they got their craving satisfied, they kind of slowed down. Then they only started getting just what they need. So let's hop out here and see if we can give them this protein tub without turning it upside down out the back of the truck. Jackson, don't you be eating them cow turds. Yeah, you figured out you can hike your leg, hadn't you? You know what that means. Your mama's gonna be wanting to cut your nuts out for long. What's up? It ain't perfect, but it'll do. Hey Red, what is it? Huh? Hey Bull, you gonna let me touch you again? Huh? No. His his abscess is healing up pretty good. See if we can get a close up of it. Hey Clara. Looks way better than it did a couple weeks ago. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. What is it, Clara? You like that, don't you? What about behind the ear? You like to be rubbed behind the ear? Yeah. Don't you butt me. So they ain't out of hay, but I'm gonna go ahead and feed them today, and I'm gonna give them 2 bales today because I got them have a busy couple weeks at work, and there's a possibility I could have to go out of town. So just to be prepared, we're just gonna give them 2 bales, and that'll last them about 2 weeks. Cause old Betty over here, I don't think she ever leaves the hay bale hardly. I don't know how she hadn't busted yet. She eats 24/7. Ain't that right, Clara? Don't you butt me. Clara is my favorite as far as temperament. You just have to watch her. She'll get a little excited sometimes and try to butt you. And I don't know what breed of cow she is, but that's her calf right there. They call him Bumper. It's because he gets bumped around all the time. But they're kind of a smaller breed. She ain't as They ain't built as big as like that Black Angus, that number 30 right there. And then Daisy over there, the black and white face cow. She was the last one we got, and I think she was bred by a Hereford bull or something. I don't know. But anyway, she's a good cow. She's a little older cow, and she lost her calf last year. But we're gonna give her another chance and see how she does. Yeah, you don't like Jackson either, do you? Uh-uh. Yeah. You gonna let me pet you? No. We working on the bull. And Red, the other little calf we got running around here, is her calf. And I think he was bred by a Hereford bull. But I'm thinking about saving him for future. There he is right there. He's a pretty bull. But you can tell between him and Bumper the size difference. So, all right, guys, we got the cows taken care of for today. So it's way past lunchtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me a bite to eat. It's gonna be leftovers. Holly and Abby are with our other daughter Anna and Quinn today shopping. So I'm gonna go ahead and rustle me up some grub.